Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever Vegan Inspo. Hope that you are enjoying this beautiful sunshine. Today we're going to be making some summer vegan rolls and I'm sure that you'll love these. Very tasty, very easy to put together, a great recipe for all the family. Today's ingredients are rice paper, half a cucumber, half a red pepper and yellow pepper, 2 carrots and some sweet chili tofu bites. The first thing we're going to do is cut up the tofu bites into rectangles and saute them in a frying pan until they're all golden brown and nicely crisp. All the vegetables are cut into batons and the rice noodles been soaked in warm water for 2 minutes. Our dipping sauce ingredients are smooth peanut butter, soy sauce, honey, half a chili pepper, finely diced. Next you're going to put 2 tablespoons of the smooth peanut butter into a bowl and then you're going to add to that 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and try to do it without spilling it. Next you're going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil just to add that depth of flavour to our dipping sauce. Add a couple of teaspoons of water to get it to the consistency that you would like. You're going to add your chopped chili peppers to the mixture and stir it really well till it's nice and creamy and smooth. Dip the rice paper into warm water for about 20 seconds. This allows it to become a little bit pliable so you're able to, manipulate it as you need to. Once you've done that, you're going to lay your noodles and your vegetables onto the rice paper. You're going to fold the edges in and then you're going to roll it so that all the edges are tucked in nicely, and that's how it should look. Don't they look absolutely delicious? Now let's do that taste test and see what the verdict is. The evidence speaks for itself. They were absolutely delish. Don't forget to get your copy of Journey to Health, available on Amazon by yours truly, Kathleen Morgan. Thank you for your support. Love you lots.